It's a new way to use AI to make riding bikes on streets a lot safer. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Kickstart this. The technology called Survue uses a cutting-edge AI model to identify the vehicle type and track its speed and trajectory. This new system by Maine-based entrepreneur Josh Fox replaces the traditional radar system for a camera using AI. Fox calls the device Survue. It is a device weighing only 4.4 ounces. It sits on the back of your bicycle, and using a camera and AI, it'll spot a vehicle, gauging its speed and location, and what type of vehicle it may be, and even what trajectory it is traveling. So when it spots an incoming car that looks like it may hit you, the device will let out an audible alarm and one on your phone warning you about the incoming vehicle up to 360 feet away. The Survue will also flash a light faster to get an approaching vehicle's attention from behind you as they approach. It also records video onto a micro SD card whenever there is an elevated alert, in case, God forbid, you need it for evidence. The Kickstarter campaign for Survue, when I looked at it, let early pledges access to one of these at a discounted price for $215. More cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? Just type in cyberguy.com on a browser and click that red button.